if you're looking for the total freedom, the freedom is not just mind freedom, your health freedom, then Dragon's Way Qigong is your primary choice. Because the Dragon's Way Qigong contains the ancient wisdoms of Chinese medicine. It's based on Chinese medicine point of view to look into today's modern life, why our body out of balance, why our body with our minds out of balance, why our life with the nature out of balance. The key for self-healing, that is the freedom. So you can self-healing, you can self-contain. Then therefore, you need a balance. So how to get a balance? How to get a balance can be independently. You need to practice Qigong. So this program is based on the Chinese medicine to understand today's mental issue, physical issue, where they come from, how to create a balance. Use Qigong to create energy balance. Use Qigong practice to create all the internal organs with your minds get a balance. Your lifestyle, your emotional balance. In this class, you will learn how does your emotional impact to your physical activity, which organ involved. Think this way. When you're angry, why your digestive system out of balance? If you want to eat organic food, can you absorb all the nature's ancients? Why I say ancients? Why? The consciousness behind the food, not the chemistry, not the vitamin A, vitamin D. That's the lower level in today's energy healing. The highest level is consciousness. How does the full consciousness can be used for your self-healing? In this program, we are going to teach you all of these areas, allow you gain this information and use this information to strengthen the knowledge and experience the freedom is in your hand. Join me. You will have a great experience of the freedom.